Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe
thunderstorm warning for southern Morgan County in north-central Georgia, western Putnam County in central Georgia, Jasper County in central Georgia, southeastern Newton County in north-central Georgia, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:41 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Eudora, Oregon, 8 miles northwest of Monticello, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include E. Tenton, Madison, Monticello, Newborn, Mansfield, Shady Dale, Stewart, Turtle Cove, Harmony, Godfrey, Warfield, Willard, Rock Eagle 4-H Center, Central Georgia Experiment St. Calvin, Farrar, Eudora, Swords in North Alcovy. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 5 p.m.